Today marks the first day of my family's annual Labor Day camping trip. Sorry, I sound raspy right now. I'm freaking tired, dude. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. This is a trip we take every year. We go to Westport, Washington, Labor Day weekend. I've been going to Westport for over 20 years. That's all we do when we go to Westport. It's fish and crab and go to the beach every now and then. So if you haven't been to Westport and you're in Washington, highly recommend it. But it's a beautiful city. It's right on the water. It's a beautiful port town. This here marks day one of 3 days. We're gonna be there for 3 days and 2 nights. So day one starts now. Look who's ready for camping. Are you ready for camping? Your hair looks like you're ready.
Bye-bye, Benny.
She's like, no, you can't leave me, okay? So we're at Pier 21, right? Is this Pier 21? This is Pier 21. Right there at the Harbor Resort. And this is where a majority of people come here to crab and fish. Let's check the tide real quick. That's not too bad. The tide's pretty low right now. $12:40 right now.
Still vlogging.
Yep, still vlogging.
Your kid's gone.
12:40 now. The high tide is at 5:30. We're gonna probably see some fish catching around 2-ish maybe, but we'll see. But we're gonna get everything all situated and head out on the water.
I wish I could see you now, but it won't be long. It'll all
Yay!
Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, so we dropped the kid off. They're crabbing. We're about to go to the jetty and see if we can land some sort of rockfish. And then I have Keela here. He's my netter. Any big fish I catch, he's gonna net for me. So it's about 1 o'clock now. High tide's at 5:30, which means the tide's gonna be coming in probably around 4:30. That's when we'll catch the most fish, I believe, but we'll see. Spot number 1. We're gonna be fishing off these rocks. As the tide comes in, hopefully it brings in the fish. Let's go! Also, get some Polaroid sunglasses. Takes the glare off the water. It makes you see clearer. You can see so deep into a fish's soul, you'll know exactly what they want. So, Polaroids. Yep. All right, so I'm throwing a swim bait, white swim bait with a 3/4 ounce jig head. This was suggested by many people that fish for rockfish, so let's see if it works.
Barely missed the seaweed.
Huh?
You barely missed.
I know, I saw that. Yo, the seagull got their lure. He won't let it go. Don't swallow that, seagull. Oh my God, you are gonna regret that. Do not. And there it goes. Oh my God, he's on my line. Dude, come on, seagull. Fly away. There we go. Jesus, dude. All right, audio is trash right now. I know that for a fact. The freaking wind is blowing on my face, but this is where we're gonna land some nice perch, hopefully. Unfortunately, this is not like bass fishing. You know, it's just a cast and let it sit out there for a little bit. If you don't get any bites right then and there, I always just reel it back in and then try to get it right in front of a fish. I don't leave it out there too long. Okay. Oh my God. I just lost my rod. My whole entire rod just fell in the damn water. How the hell did that happen? We're gonna have to get a fishing rod and try to catch my damn rod. Oh my God, I'm so salty about that. Okay, operation catch my damn fishing rod. God, dude, I can't believe that just happened. That sucks so bad. Come on. I gotta like wrap these weights on the bell of the reel. Oh, I got it. I got my rod. Kind of. Come on, it's stuck. Where's it stuck at? Oh, it's stuck between some rocks. Come on. Come on. Okay, why is it stuck? My rod is stuck in between some. Well, that sucks. Anybody comes here to Westport, there's a free rod for you. God, dude, I'm so salty about that. Okay, first fish, and this is probably a bullhead. What is this? Yeah, it's a huge bullhead. Dude, are you kidding me, man? Get out of here, bro. I didn't even know this thing bit me. Okay, fine. Ooh, it's a pile perch. Nice. Woo! Yeah, baby. Not compared to yours.
But the way you reel it is like so huge.
What kind of fish is that?
That's a pile perch. Yeah.
Looks like you got a bunch of them.
She's been killing it, man. She has a couple big ones.
No kidding. Right on.
Makes me feel like a loser.
Did you get on camera?
Oh, maybe I wasn't recording. That sucks.
What?
It's all good.
What happened?
Fish number 2. This is a pile perch. These are beautiful fish. Pretty trash fishing day so far. We're out there for, guys, like 3.5 hours. I caught 2 fish. I think only got 1 on camera. So we're just gonna go drown our sorrows in a candy shop.
I caught fish.
My wife caught a fish.
A couple fish.
She got 2.
No, 3.
3.
2 bullfishes and a
And the baby was just chilling like a villain. She's about to pass
no,
out
the baby caught one of the bigger ones that got away because a teen doesn't know how to reel
fish. He
it
was
in.
reeling it in backwards,
Yeah.
which is weird.
I can go the distance if you can do the same. And we will be together.
going crazy.
Can you reach? What do you want? Is there anything up high?
Yeah, there's 18.
Open your bag.
I can't open it. I want.
Don't fill your bag all the way up.
Then I want.
How are you guys doing?
Good. Sweets mission success.
$9 down the drain.
$9 in our bellies.
Down the drain afterwards.
Yes, that is correct. We will be pooping this out.
She's waving her arm. Yes, honey.
I'm trying to get myself into a normal schedule again. He's starting school at 7.
Oh no!
Where is it?
Did he land in the tree?
Stuck in the tree.
Where'd it go?
All the way up there.
So, end of the day, fishing's done. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We caught a lot of the, you know, as a collective, the family has caught a lot of fish. I only caught 2. But now we're just winding down, about to cook some dinner, eat some food, drink some drinks. What do you got to say about today, baby? All right. She said poop.
Once we open it.
Day 1 done. Day 2 starts tomorrow.
Yeah.